as we got a busy schedule ahead of us this weekend. So I've got a list of things that I need to get done. I'm going to try to get it done as much as I can in a half hour. I have a dishwasher to unload, dishes to clean. I want to wipe down the countertops, clear off the kitchen table, then head upstairs and wipe down the bathroom, vanity and the mirrors, clean up my bedroom a little bit as well as my son's room. Set a timer to 30 minutes.
30 minutes starting now.
I'm starting today in my kitchen. I'm loading the dishwasher. I have a few dishes in the sink that need to be washed and the counters need to be wiped down. We have a very busy weekend, as I said earlier, so I only have a limited time to get some house cleaning done before we head out the door for the day. On busy days, I love setting my watch timer to 30 minutes and seeing how quickly I can get all the household things that I have on my to-do list done. Once you get started, it's so much easier to actually finish these tasks in a very quick amount of time. Sometimes the hard part is actually getting started and motivated. So today, as you watch this, I hope I give you lots of cleaning motivation so you too can start cleaning your house quickly in order to free up other time to do some fun things. Spring is here and our time is becoming more and more limited as all the outdoor activities have started. Maybe your kids are in sports or you have family events, birthday parties, cookouts will be starting. All kinds of different activities happen throughout the spring. And we want to make sure that we're there to enjoy every bit of it with our children without having to worry about or even think about what's happening back at home. If you're like me, having a messy house just stays with you and makes your day a little bit heavier and dragged down, knowing that once you get home, you're gonna go home to a mess and have to clean it up. If you're like me, I can't just leave it. I have to make sure things are put away, especially before I go to bed. There's nothing better than coming downstairs to a nice clean house, especially a clean kitchen. So today, make a to-do list of all the cleaning tasks you need to get done. Then set a timer for 30 minutes, or if you have more time than I have, you can set a timer for a little bit longer and see how much of that to-do list you can get through. You'll probably be surprised to see you can actually do a little bit more than you originally planned on. Leave a comment down below if you try this out and let me know how it goes for you. I'm super curious to see if this works as well as it does for others as it does for me. Now I'm cleaning out the sink. I always use Dawn Power Wash to clean out the sink. I felt like my sink needed an extra scrubbing today, so I'm also going to use some of the Barkeeper's Friend for a little bit deeper of a clean. I'm going to give this a really good scrub down. It ends up being super shiny, nice and clean, and if you were not aware, sinks, they say, can be dirtier than the toilet. So if you are not cleaning out your sink on a regular basis, start doing that today. I apologize for my son whining in the clip earlier. He is 2 years old and at the stage where he can say some words but can't say everything, and verbalizing what he needs to us is very challenging during this stage, so he ends up being a little bit more on the whiny side, which is frustrating for all of us, and we are definitely working through that. So hopefully this stage will end. If you have children, I'm sure you went through this as well. If you have any tips or things that helped you and your child to work through this phase a little bit easier, I would love to know. Leave your comments down below. We are trying all kinds of things to try to help him to be able to communicate with us a little better and helping him learn how to talk and say his words. It is challenging. Oh, here he is. I couldn't remember if he ends up being in any clips or not, but here he is. My husband is home as well, so he is playing with my husband, but you'll see him here or there while I quickly try to get done the housework that I have for today before we head out the door. Moving into the dining room, I just need to clear off this table. As I said in pretty much every video, this table ends up being our catch-all. So there's just a bunch of coats and bags and things from the week that I need to just get put away for us for the weekend, and then everything will come back out again for Monday morning. Do you set up your week on Sundays? Do you like Sunday reset routines? I really like doing that. I find it helps my Monday mornings go a lot smoother. Sometimes Sundays can be really, really busy and we don't have the opportunity to do that. But on days that I do get to set us up for the week ahead during Sunday, our weeks go a lot smoother. Moving upstairs into our master bathroom, I need to clean off the countertop, put all these items away, wipe down the countertops and the mirrors. I didn't have to clean the living room on this day because the day prior I did our living room deep clean for spring. I did post that video last Friday. If you have not seen it yet, go check it out after you finish this video. Hopefully that gives you lots of cleaning motivation as well and some ideas on areas to deep clean in your living room. I am doing a spring cleaning series currently. Every Friday for the month of April, I'm posting a spring cleaning video. So far, I've done like a generalized areas in your house to spring clean. Then I did our kitchen, and the third video I've posted so far was our living room. I am also going to do my bedroom and deep cleaning this bathroom. as well as probably our laundry room. I keep kind of flip-flopping on what the last video is going to be, but if you are not yet, please subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss out on any of those videos, as doing series is so much fun. I know I find a lot of cleaning motivation from other people's series and hope to provide that for you as well. And I do truly hope that you feel like you're just coming here, cleaning with a friend, getting lots of motivation and inspiration. If you are new, please introduce yourself down in the comments. I'd love to meet you. I absolutely love reading your comments, hearing from you, getting to know you a little bit through the comments is so much fun. And honestly, most of them I read out loud to my husband, which I don't know if he likes or not, but I just have been finding it so much fun to get to interact with my viewers. Moving into my bedroom, I'm just going to bring up the shades, open the curtains, and make our bed. At this point, I'm not sure how much time I have left on my 30-minute timer, so I am definitely rushing. I am not trying to make this bed to look like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. It is just going to be made and called good for the day. So I know it is done. You definitely feel a lot more productive and like you've gotten something done if your bed is made. If you are getting motivation and cleaning along with me, keep pushing. I know our timers are coming to an end soon, but I'm sure as we look back, we're going to be so satisfied in all the cleaning we are able to accomplish within 30 minutes. Now I'm cleaning off this mirror that's in my bedroom. It was absolutely disgusting and needed a really good cleaning. My son has been greatly enjoying brushing his teeth, especially if he can watch himself in the mirror. So a lot of times he stands here while he brushes his teeth and while I brush with him to make sure that his teeth are very clean. One day this week, he took his toothbrush and was brushing it on the mirror, so I definitely need to give this mirror a good scrub to make sure all of that is off, and so that it's nice and clean for him to brush his teeth here this night. And the last place that I'm able to get done today was vacuuming my son's room. This rug is a navy blue. It shows everything, and I need to keep up with vacuuming it so often. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to click on and watch my video. I appreciate you being here more than I can tell you. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe. I hope you have gotten lots of cleaning motivation, inspiration, feel like you've been just cleaning with a friend. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday and can't wait to see you back here on Friday for my next episode in my spring's cleaning series.